Hey guys, it's Jordanbikes. Look at this little beauty, GSXR1000. It is the L5 model, so it is a 15 on a 15 plate. One owner bike, it's beautiful. It's been painted by Dream Machine from new. Loads of little extras on it. Standard it comes with the Brembos in a way, but it's got hell braided lines, the big piston shower forks. It's got loads of Yoshi on it. It's got the Yoshi bar ends, ASV levers. It's got loads of Yoshi accessories and engine protection. Top nut from Yoshi as well, bit of protection on there on the top yoke. So yeah, Yoshimura everywhere. Exhaust, R11 with a D cap, sounds lovely. R&G exhaust hanger as well, as I said, braided lines. Give it a quick fire up for you. Sounds lovely. It is a one owner bike and it's only done 7,176 miles. Got the seat pod on there, comes with the seat and the rear pegs as well. Really nice bike, I say it looks a business, it really does. So get yourself down to Jordanbikes, give us a call, drop us an email. We do finance, we take cash, we do PCP, we do a part exchange. Get yourself down guys, because it is a bargain. Thank you very much.